Welcome back. Today we're breaking down the best gaming motherboards you can buy right now. Whether you're building your very first gaming PC, upgrading your rig for higher FPS and faster load times, or planning a future-proof setup, you're in the right place. We've hand-picked boards that gamers actually care about. Strong power delivery, great cooling, fast RAM support, and next-gen connectivity for GPUs, storage, and peripherals. No matter if you're chasing max frame rates, clean RGB aesthetics, or long-term upgrade potential, there's something here for you. Make sure to check the description for latest deals, and let's find the motherboard that gives your build a real edge. 1. Asus ROG Strix Z890E Gaming Wi-Fi. Kicking off the list is the Asus ROG Strix Z890E, a true high-end powerhouse built for serious gamers and advanced AI workloads. Designed around the new LGA 1851 socket, it fully supports Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processors and up to 192 gigabytes of DDR5 memory, packed with Asus's latest memory optimization tech like NitroPath DRAM and DIMM-Flex. Power delivery is rock solid thanks to its 18 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 power stages, premium capacitors, and ProCool 2 connectors, meaning it stays stable even under heavy gaming or overclocking. Thermal performance is just as impressive, with oversized heat sinks, high-quality thermal pads, and a C-shaped heat pipe keeping temperatures in check. Connectivity is a major highlight here. You get 7 M.2 slots, including 3 PCIe 5.0, dual Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, Wi-Fi 7, and Intel 5 Gigabit Ethernet. Add in Aura Sync RGB, Polymo lighting effects, and smart AI features like AI overclocking, AI cooling 2, and AI networking, and this board becomes incredibly easy to tune. Yes, it's on the pricier side, but if you're building a top-tier gaming or AI-ready PC, the ROG Strix Z890E is absolutely worth it. 2. Asus ROG Strix B860-I Gaming Wi-Fi. Next up is the Asus ROG Strix B860-I, proof that great things come in small packages. This Mini-ITX motherboard is perfect for compact builds without sacrificing performance. It supports Intel Core Ultra Series 2 CPUs, DDR5 memory up to 128 gigabytes, and includes advanced AI features like AI Advisor, AI Networking 2, and NPU Boost. Its 10 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 power stage design delivers consistent power for gaming and content creation, while the cooling setup, featuring large heat sinks and an L-shaped heat pipe, keeps everything running cool. You still get premium connectivity here, including Wi-Fi 7, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, Thunderbolt 4, and PCIe 5.0 GPU support. The sleek ROG styling and DIY-friendly design make this a standout option for small form factor enthusiasts. If you want compact size with zero compromises, this board is a fantastic choice. 3. Gigabyte B760.M. If you're on a tighter budget but still want solid performance, the Gigabyte B760M is an excellent value pick. Built on the Intel B76 chipset, it supports 12th and 13th gen Intel CPUs and DDR5 memory up to 64 gigabytes. You get PCIe 4.0 support, dual NVMe .2M slots, and Gigabyte's super useful Q-Flash Plus, which lets you update the BIOS without a CPU or RAM installed. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port. Thermals are handled well with SmartFan 6, M.2 thermal guard, and customizable fan curves. RGB Fusion 2.0 adds personalization, and onboard audio is clean and immersive. While the micro ATX size limits expansion a bit, this board delivers great performance for the price, making it ideal for budget-conscious gamers. 4. Asus Prime B650-Plus Wi-Fi. For AMD fans, the Asus Prime B650-Plus Wi-Fi is one of the best budget-friendly ATX options available. It supports Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors using the AM5 socket, making it a great long-term investment. It offers DDR5 support, AMD eXPO profiles, and PCIe 5.0 M.2 storage, along with dual M.2 slots and dedicated heat sinks for sustained performance. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5 gigabit LAN, USB-C, and even a Thunderbolt 4 header. Features like BIOS flashback, Fan Expert 2 Plus, reinforced PCIe slots, and stable Pro-Cool power connectors make it extremely user-friendly and reliable. Overall, this board delivers premium features at a very reasonable price, making it one of the best AMD budget picks out there. 5. Gigabyte B850 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi 7. The Gigabyte B850 Aorus Elite is a strong mid to high-end AM5 motherboard built for modern Ryzen CPUs. It supports up to 256 gigabytes of DDR5 memory and features a 14+2+2 digital VRM design for stable, consistent power. You get 3 M.2 slots, including PCIe 5.0, plus Wi-Fi 7 and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet for ultra-fast networking. Gigabyte's cooling solution includes VRM Thermal Armor Advanced and M.2 Thermal Guard, keeping performance steady during long gaming sessions. One standout feature is X3D Turbo Mode, which boosts gaming performance with a single BIOS click. Toolless installation features like Easy Latch Plus also make building easier. While PCIe bandwidth is slightly limited for extreme multi-device setups, this board offers excellent performance and features for the price. 6. Asus ROG Strix X870E Gaming Wi-Fi 7. Last but definitely not least is the Asus ROG Strix X870E, a premium AM5 motherboard designed for gamers, creators, and power users. It supports Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series CPUs, and features a massive 18+2+2 power stage design rated at 110 amps per stage. DDR5 memory support with Expo and advanced tuning tools like AI overclocking, Core Flex, and Dynamic OC Switcher makes performance optimization effortless. Storage and connectivity are top tier, with 3 PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots, USB 4 Type-C ports, and Wi-Fi 7. Cooling is handled by oversized heat sinks, heat pipes, and M.2 backplates, while the classic ROG design with RGB accents gives your build a premium look. If you want one of the most powerful and future-ready AMD motherboards available, this is it. And there you have it, the best gaming motherboards you can buy this year, covering every budget and build style. If this helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss our latest PC hardware guides. Happy building!